say that there is no shortcut way to achieve anything. In this short span of life, we have to tackle all those terrible things, which is not really easy for us. Yes, this is the harsh truth. We have to struggle and find out the right way to achieve the success. Success will not happen to you overnight. Before success, we have to face lot of failure. Failure in the sense not fail in life. It's just a mistake we did in the past and later we understand it as a failure. Patience, perseverance, consistency, and of course hard work is the only key for success. The biggest truth is if you achieve your goal in future, we will not be satisfied, and it's a fact. You will need more and more opportunities. You will create another goal. It means it's a lifelong process. This is not the end until your last breath.